Welcome back to our channel. Today we have one more Gypsy which is come for complete engine rebuild. You can just have a look at the vehicle. The vehicle is done with some issues, and there were some leakages with the oil as well as coolant. The vehicle is completely seized, and right now it's come for a engine rebuild. We have removed the engine completely. You can just check all the parts completely removed. You can just check out. This is an 1.6 vehicle which we are going to rebuild at the moment. You can just have a look at the engine which we have removed completely. Right now we are removing the complete parts and checking what is the issue, and we are going to rebuild this engine at Jeepzone Bangalore. At the moment you can just check, complete brand new parts will be installing on this vehicle. So you can just check out all the parts which have been removed, and we have kept it here. You can just have a look at all the parts which have from the machine, and this is the air filter, this is the radiator fan plus radiator. So all parts have been procured. So stay tuned and watch our channel. And this is the engine lift crane which we normally use to pull the engine. So you can just check out the leakages. There's oil leakages, and stay tuned and watch our channel when we'll be providing you what was the issue on this vehicle. So right now we are removing the water pump and water body pipes completely. So we have another tar for service at the moment. This is a tar, a modified tar which has come for a general service, and right now the vehicle is in ramp, and we are going to service this, and we are going to update you tomorrow. And right now we are working on this engine, and we'll be providing you more and more updates on this vehicle completely. So you can just check out, this is an off-roading vehicle which is in the ramp from past couple of days. We have removed complete parts, have been removed, gearbox has been disassembled, joints have been removed. So we are procuring the parts. So that's the reason the vehicle is in the ramp for a longer time, and soon this will also be completed. By this week we will be providing you all final updates on this vehicle also. So stay tuned and watch our channel. We'll be providing you more and more updates on our 4x4 vehicles. For any kinds of service related or modification related issues, contact our WhatsApp number 9886679617. We are based in Bangalore. Workshop name is Jeepzone. We prefer, and now we are a multi-brand service center. We would work on cars also, and you can have a look at the Bolero which is getting restored right now, and soon it will be delivered to the customer by next week. So watch our channel for updates. And now we are removing the sump completely. You can just have a look at the sump also. The nuts have been removed. Right now we are removing the clutch. Pressure plate is going to be removed, and also the. So stay tuned and watch our channel. So you can just check, we have removed the clutch as well as the pressure plate, and the flywheel is also going to be removed. So you can just check on the pistons, oil has gone completely. So stay tuned and watch our channel for any kinds of restorations or rebuilding an engine, or any kinds of modification, sales service regarding Gypsy, Jeep, Bolero, Stars. You can just WhatsApp us on a WhatsApp number. So please like and subscribe our channels. Thank you. And our number is 9886679617. We are based in Bangalore, so please subscribe our channel. Provide us more inputs. We provide quality service and good performance on our vehicles. Thank you.